Hey y'all, it's Miss Katie. I just want to remind you to save your carcass. Save your carcass. So what are you going to do with it? Don't throw it away. You might have a little meat on it. Pick it off. Use it for casseroles, whatever. Leave it on if you want to. But I'm cutting this carcass up Thanksgiving night. Putting it in this crock pot filled with some water. About a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to bring the calcium out of the bones into that good broth, that good beef broth. No, it's not beef broth. It's turkey broth. Okay, so behind the camera is our oldest son, Trevor. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Don't forget to save your carcass. Cook it overnight, several hours in the crock pot for good turkey broth. In a couple of days, you can have, or tomorrow, whenever you want the broth, you can have it. But don't forget to save your carcass. Happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you next time.